Hello everybody and welcome back to Plan with Ivy. My name is Ivy and this week we're going to be doing another Christmas themed plan with me. I'm so excited about this one because this is the one I've been waiting to do. This is the Sugarplums kit from Scribble Prints Co and it is so beautiful. It's like a glam Christmas vibe to it and totally was the inspiration for my room decorating, which you guys will see this week because I'm tired of waiting to decorate my room. So the video will be up by the end of this planner week, rest assured, because I want to get that video out to you guys before Christmas, so get very excited for that because that will be happening. And so it has a very pastel-y vibe to it, so I went with very pastel colors. I have a very strict pen color scheme, as you can see. No pinks because I couldn't find a pink light enough, but I do have a lot of pink washi to compensate for that. But I'm just so excited to plan this week. I've been waiting for a long time. I'm doing some more Christmassy stuff this week so I get to use more Christmas stickers, so it just makes it all great. So without further ado, let's get planning. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, give a huge thumbs up and tell me what your favorite part of the spread is down below. This spread turned out so cute. I love it. The full boxes are definitely my favorite part of the spread, and just the color scheme in general, because this color scheme just gives me life. I love the soft pastel-y vibes of it. If you've been on the channel for a while, you know that I love muted tones. This is definitely very muted, so this makes me very happy. But tell me what your favorite part of the spread is down below. And thank you to Michelle Turner and the Never Ending Planner Mom for commenting in my last few videos. It means so much that you guys have commented in those videos because I love hearing your feedback and hear what you guys think of the spreads. So thank you so much for commenting down below. And if you want to get shout out in next week's video, don't forget to just comment down below. In this one, it's due to me to the end of this video. You get a sneak peek of next week. So next week is Christmas week, which I'm so excited about. Not only because it's going to be Christmas, but also because I'm going to be using this modern Christmas kit from Scribble Prints Co, another Scribble Prints Co kit. And this is the only Christmas kit that I have that actually said Merry Christmas in, so it automatically became the kit that I was going to use for Christmas. And it has like a very muted tone feel again, so I think it'll turn out really, really cute. So if you guys are interested in seeing why I do post a spread, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a video, and so you officially become part of the Ivy League. The Ivy League, we are over 300 strong. I'm trying to get us to 500 soon, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel because a lot of fun stuff is coming up in the new year and you're not going to want to miss it. But until next time, this has been Ivy. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye!